In this video, I will be showing you how to run n8n locally in Windows. There are multiple ways how you can run n8n, but the most simplest way is by using Docker. So first thing, we need to install Docker, and after that getting n8n is a piece of cake. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Docker. You'll be getting the first link. Click over here, and to the top we are having this developers. Hover over that and click on documentation, and just select get started and click on get Docker. And if you scroll down here, we are having Docker desktop for Windows. Click over here, and this is going to be the system requirements and installation guide for us. So first let's just install the Docker desktop for Windows file, and I will just click this one. So for most of the cases it's going to be this one. If you have ARM, you need to go with this one, and this file is around 532 MB in size, so just be patient till then. And while it is downloading, we can just check if we are having the system requirements. So first thing, we must have the WSL installed on our system. So to check that, just go to command prompt and type WSL space -- version and hit enter. So as you can see, I'm having the WSL version. In case if you don't have WSL, you just need to run the command WSL space -- install. Alright, you just need to run this over here. And next, we need to turn on WSL2 feature on Windows. So for doing that, just search control panel, click on programs and select programs and features, and here we are having turn Windows features on and off. Click here, and if you scroll down here, make sure that you are checking Windows subsystem for Linux, which is WSL. So you just need to check this and click on OK. Alright, so once we have done with this, next thing is we must have this enable hardware virtualization in BIOS. So I guess in most of the cases this will be also by default enabled. So to check this if it's enabled or not, right click and click on task manager, and you need to go to performance, and as you can see, in my case the virtualization is enabled. So in case if this is not enabled, you just need to go into your BIOS settings of your system and enable this. So once the download is complete, just open it, click on yes, and we'll be getting the Docker desktop. So I'll just go with the default one. This is fine. I'll just select OK. So it says log out of Windows to complete installation. So just click close and log out. So your system will get restarted, and here you are having the Docker desktop icon. Open it, and we'll be having the Docker subscription service agreement. Just click on accept, and that's it. You'll be getting the Docker desktop. And if you have already an account, you can just sign in, or if you don't have an account, you can just create an account. I will just skip this now, and it's just a survey. You can just take it or skip it. To the left you are having images. Select this and select search images to run. Here just type n8n, and we are having this n8n io/n8n, and just look at the number of downloads. The tag is going to be latest, and just click on pull. And once it is downloaded, you will be getting an option like this. Here just click on this run button and go to optional settings, and just enter the port number. I will just go with 3001. You can leave it default, or you can even give any port number that is free on your system, and just click on run. If you get log messages like this, it has successfully ran. Now just click on the containers option above images. Here we can see this particular container is running, and this is the port. Just click it, and after that you will be getting this n8n setup. Just fill the information over here. Just fill up all the details of your choice, and that's it. We will be taken to the home screen. If you want to create a workflow, just click on create workflow, and you can just get started. That's a video, guys. We have successfully ran n8n locally. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.